YouTube? Welcome back to Fishing with Tito. Today we're gonna be fishing at Germantown Greenway. It's the Wolf River runs through here. So I just found this spot yesterday. So I got up early this morning to come make y'all a video. See, I have the whole place to myself. It even goes, I don't know how many miles it goes down to where you saw me fishing in the last video, Shelby Farm. So this go right here, it's go all the way, this is a walking trail, it go all the way to Shelby Farm. So many miles. But I found this spot yesterday. I had stopped by here. I was going to actually exercise yesterday. But let me take you. So today I brought some of you guys in the comments were saying get some crickets, and I also got some minnows. So let's go take a walk with me. We do have to walk down like a, I don't really call it steep hill, but this is a sign right here where we're going to be fishing it. As you can see, Wolf River. So it's a nice walking area. But I tried to get over here early because it do get crowded over here, and I want to get a parking spot. This is the area walking through to get a parking spot because there's a lot of people that ride bicycles, walking. They be walking their dogs and all that. But so I was going to start walking yesterday, and I was just walking down the water. Actually, you can see the water here. So I seen a trail that someone else made to walk down to the water to fish. So this is where we got to go in it right here. And it is kind of steep, as you guys can see. So I don't want to slip and bust my tail, so got to be careful. Turn you guys around so you can see. Actually, someone has made some stairs, like they put some logs down so you wouldn't slip. And actually, I just saw a fish jump right here. Okay, this is a nice spot. Look at the water jumping. So you see the water goes all the way around there. So let me get you guys set up. Right about right there. Now I brought four poles with me. I brought two of my heavy duty reels, and I also brought my regular reels I be fishing with, two catfish reels, and two reels that have bobbers on there. So the first thing we're gonna put on here, since I saw they was jumping right here at the bank before we walked up, I'm gonna throw a cricket on there. So I actually had to buy me a little cricket thing. It was what? $4.43. Because I didn't ever have one, so I went on and bought one. The other biggest size they had was like $8. I said, can I just get the small one? You know what I mean? The small one. I can go to Walmart and get one cheaper than that. Yeah, I do see some fishing line down here, so I know somebody been fishing down here. Let me get some of my stuff situated here. And the guy at the bait shop, he actually gave me some big size minnows. Oh, okay, I see some fishes over there jumping. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to see what they are biting. I'm gonna put a minnow on one, and then my two catfish reels, I'm gonna do night crawlers. Now I know this water is cold because it's like here. I just made it to Memphis, so the temperature is like, I think it was in my car, it was saying it was like 34 or 47. Because in different areas where I was traveling it, It said like 47. There goes somebody running now. I know I heard something. This guy did give me some nice minnows. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Give me a second. Give me some big, nice size minnows. This one right here. Let me see if something playing my cricket, but I turned my back. And we're also gonna go. I'm gonna take some minnows back by I want to take some minnows back by my secret spot, advanced auto parts, and throw some crickets out behind there. Cause there are some big bass in there. I know some big bass in there. I saw them. I hooked into a couple of them, and they flopped off my hook. I'm gonna put this one back right here. Close my minnow bucket up. Okay, now let's get the catfish reels out. And thank you to all my new subscribers too. Thought I was getting the bait, but that's that minnow out there jumping around. Putting the night crawl on that. And do me a favor, guys. If you're liking my videos, please like them. You know, comment. I will comment back. I might not comment right then, but as soon as I see them, I'll comment right back. And I do appreciate all you guys. So please like, share, and comment on all my videos. As you can see, the water is actually real cold because the steam coming off the water. So I'm gonna go past you guys and I'm gonna throw this one out over here. I don't know what's in here because I never fished in here before. Like I said, guys, I have never fished in here before. So I couldn't tell you what was in here. What was in here right now, I couldn't tell you because I never fished in here before. But the Wolf River, I have fished in the Wolf River before. They have big catfish. Um, they have big catfish, and you know they have some of everything here because all this is hooked up to the Mississippi River. So I have one more to set out. I think I might want to. I'm trying to figure out because I got one going that way. This is like a little cove right here. So I have a minnow straight out there. I might throw one of my catfish reels over there against the wall because I have one going that way. So yeah, I'm gonna throw one out across there. I'm gonna get you guys set up in a better spot so you can see. Right now, I'm just trying to get everything, uh, get all the lines thrown out in some water because it's kind of tight over here. Like I said again, I appreciate all you guys liking my videos. And please share them hit the notification bell so you can every time I post a video, you can see it. Like I said, if you want to be entered into the gift card giveaway, you have to like the video, comment, and share the video. It's gonna be a $100 gift card. Now I'll make a separate video and explaining like what all you would need to do. What I got a bite, guy. My line got tangled up here. I don't know what it was. I just seen it pulling it. Got off, guys. It got off. God, got off. I don't know what's up with the reel. It pulled it real hard. I don't know what happened. Let me find out what's going on with my reel. Cause I just throwed it out and wasn't nothing wrong with it. I don't know what that was, guys, but that was the line with the minnow on there. Let's get it in and see if I got to add another minnow. No, he didn't get the minnow off. So let's throw it back out, guys. Like I said, he didn't get it off. I saw the line pulling it. I missed it. I don't know what happened. Let me hurry up and get this line out, guys. Cause look like we be doing some good over here. Cause I see the fishes out there jumping. Hopefully that was a big bass. I didn't see it. Like I said, the line got tangled up. Let me hurry up and get this set up, guys. I see someone else running, jogging. So let me get this set up. Then I get you guys around facing the water so you can see too. So I'm gonna get you guys set up around here. The ground is not level for me to get you guys set up. So I know you're trying to fall over. Hold on, guys. Let me get you guys set up right. Trying to get you guys set up in a good spot. Hold on 1 second, guys. Let me put you on pause. Hold on. Now we're back, guys. Like I said, guys, there's not a real good spot to set you guys up in. So hopefully you guys can see that right there. Now that's all we got to do is wait patiently, guys. I did see a big old something right there hit right here at the water. I don't know what it was. So what I had to do to my tripod is I had to put a stick on the back just to keep it held up. Or it'll tilt it over towards this way, and I didn't want my phone to fall in the water. So we have Nightcrawler, a cricket, and a minnow out there. So we're trying to see what they're gonna bite. And it's all of a waiting game, guys. A waiting game. I see a lot of guys be jigging over here because I see the jig paper. So I guess they be jigging for bass over here because I know it's some big bass in here. They said as I was reading that sign back up there at the front, they said some big bass in here. All this water right here goes to the Mississippi River. It's a pretty cool spot. I think in the summertime I'm gonna come back here too because as it comes flooding in here, it goes back that way and back that way. Actually, when I'm riding past in the cause I make deliveries down this way. When I'm riding in my 18 wheeler truck, I can see all this water right here, and I was saying, dang, I wish I could fish over there. And I was wondering how could I get over there, and I finally found a way. So I said one day I'm out here, I'm gonna stop by here and see is there a way I can get down into the water. And I seen a pathway. Someone had made a pathway. Sound like someone target practicing. Let me check this pole with the minnow on there and see what we got. We just got a pull on our catfish rod, guys. He pulled the line, but he didn't take it. I saw him stretch it out. The one I got toward that way. I saw him stretch it out. Ooh, these minnows here are big. Yeah. It's almost like you're fishing with a mini fish. Let me get him on the line, and I'll let you see it. Look at the size of that minnow, guys. Whew. He did say he had some big minnows, and he gave them to me. All right, you guys, let me check. Let me check this pole here. The one that I seen him yank the line on. Let's see. See what did he do. He took a bite out of it, but he didn't get it off. So let's throw it back over there, guys. Somebody else walking. Haven't got nothing on the cricket, you guys. Haven't got anything on the cricket. Oh yeah, that's kind of deep there. Oh, I'm getting a bite over here. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hey, couldn't get him. He was pulling it though. He was pulling it. I was trying to yank it out of his mouth. He was pulling it. Let me show you guys. That's what he was doing to it right here. Look, trying to pull the worm off of there. He was yanking it mighty hard though. So it seemed like over here they like the worms. So we might be putting the worms on the poles. So let's do that. So this pole right here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some worm on here. Crickets will be all right. It's so cold out here. The crickets got laying at the bottom of it. Hey, what was that hit out there? That was something big, yeah. You didn't tell me you seen that one hit. All right. I tell you guys what. I'm gonna put you on pause, and if I get something, I'll bring you back. Stay tuned. Got him, guys. I got him. I don't know what it is, but I got him. I got him. It's a catfish. Catfish. Catfish, you guys. Catfish. Catfish. And I got another, put a slack line over here in my other reel. Got him, guys. Two of them. I got him, guys. I don't know what this one is. Another cat. Another cat, guys. Doubled up. Doubled up, guys. Doubled up. Doubled up, guys. Doubled up. Doubled up. 2 for 1, guys. 2 for 1. Do I want to keep catfish today? You know what? Let's see. Do I want to keep fish today? It's a nice one. It is a nice one. That's a nice sandwich. You know what? I'll give it to the guys at work. They'll take it. That's what I do. I'll give it to the guys at work. Some of the other drivers at work. One guy, he loved catfish. so I'll give it to him. Right in the corner of the mouth, guys. Told you guys when I come back, I bring you guys back. That's out. We're gonna throw this one back out. Back on the bottom it go, guys. And also, guys, I'm getting some on the cork. He said, "Doop," with the I think the minnow on there. Here goes the other one right here. Might be the minnow got my cork dancing like that. So let me throw you guys back out. So I'll bring you guys back when I get something else. Yeah, guys, back. Right through there where you see that little where them bricks at, see that little pathway right there? I don't know if it was an 8 point or a 9 point buck, but he saw, I don't know if I spooked him, but I didn't say nothing. I was just standing here standing still and I heard him blow. So evidently something spooked him or he saw me and took off. But it was a big, nice sized buck. He came there to drink some water, I guess. Because I can hear on the other side over there, on the other side of this water right here, is nothing but woods and fields. So I guess he heard me, but I can hear crackling and stuff over there. So maybe he didn't take off that far. But if I see him again, guys, I'll bring you back and I'll show you. I'm gonna put you back on pause till I get another one. Guys, hadn't got another bite yet, but still standing here waiting. I hear a lot of car doors up there closing. So we're like maybe a minute from where I parked it, but it's a parking lot, so and the sun is trying to warm up just a little bit. I had to take it and put my crickets inside of my pocket because some of them was laying there getting stiff. I forgot about how cold it was, but I'm still gonna use them. So, like I said, I'll bring you guys back when I get another. Just keeping you updated. I'll bring you guys back when I get another bite. Stay tuned. So, guys, we've been hit this spot about an hour and a half. So, I haven't got another bite. So, we're gonna go to another spot and I'll make another video. So, do me a huge favor, guys. This will help my channel out a lot. It only takes to like, share, comment on my videos, and subscribe to my videos. And like I said, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.